In this video, I will show you how to share Discord profile link. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to share your profile link on Discord, what you want to do first is come down to the bottom left hand corner, click onto this gear icon to open up your settings, and on your settings, what you need to do first is come over to the left hand side and you want to scroll down to the app settings, and then in this section you want to come down to advanced down here, give that a click. Now, first what you want to do is make sure you have turned on developer mode, so this allows you to get your user ID. Once you've done that, come out of here, and what you want to do is just come to any server that you're part of and just find one of your messages. So if you don't have a message, then what you can do is of course type something into the chat so you have posted a message in the server. Now, once you've done that, what you need to do is click onto your profile name here, and that's going to bring up a window like this, and then what you want to do is click onto your actual profile picture. And what that's going to do is open up a screen like this. From here, if you come down to where it says edit profile, come to the right hand side, and next to the shop you've got these three dots which says more, give that a click. From here you're going to see an option to copy user ID, so click that first of all, and what you can then do is close this down. Once you've done that, what you want to do is open up a notepad or a Word document, and then what you need to do is type the following, so discordapp.com/users/ and then what you would do is paste your user ID, which you copied, by of course holding down Control and pressing V, or right click in and selecting paste from here. Now this is your actual profile link which you can share, so what you can now do is copy this whole URL, and you'll see if I come across and open up a new internet browser, I'm just going to paste this into here and hit enter. This is going to take me directly to the user profile for that person, as you can see, and that is how to share your profile link on Discord. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.